Hi guys, good morning, good day. Here we are. Galing pa ako sa hike. Nag-mountain hike na naman ako. So, ito yung paligid dito. Share ko lang sa inyo. Kapal pa rin ng snow. Pero may araw. May araw siya. Medyo light lang. Maganda mag-hike kasi ang ganda din ng view doon sa baba. Galing ako dun sa taas, then I'm going down na. Maganda kasi pag pababa kasi ang bilis lang. Kanina hinihingal kasi ako paakyat kaya ayaw ko mag-vlog. So, atong vlog na to is on the way down na. So, pababa na tayo. Dahan-dahan lang kasi takot din ako madulas. Pag madulas, okay lang naman kasi ano naman, may ano naman itong snow, soft naman. So, ayan yung paligid dun guys. So, makikita nyo. Ayan. So, ayan. One of my jogging place ito during summer. And, kaya nito, kahit pa paano, nakapag-jogging ako dito. Kahit maano, mas snow. Enjoy lang. Ayan ang puno ng kahoy. Ng pine trees. Yan, may old ano dyan, caveman. Medyo nagmelt na yung snow. Actually today is first of April. Nan mo yung puno. 1st of April. Ayan, marami pa rin snow sa puno na yan. So continue tayo mag-walking and running. I really love to walk or running. So dahil may araw, nag-sunglass tayo guys kasi masakit sa mata pag pag masyadong maputi ang paligid tapos may araw. Ayan yung daan. Ayan. So, samahan niyo ako sa aking pagbaba with combination of walking and jogging. Pag hinihingal ako, so you need to take a slow also. Eto, paakyat konti. Ayan. It's past 12 noon na. 12 noon. Ayan. May isang dyan, bench. Ayan. Pasyalan natin kung hindi tayo mahulog. Sana okay. I need to watch my step. And snow kasi guys. Ganda kasi. Tapos I'm going to work after this dahil pang afternoon shift nga ako. Oops, akyat tayo dito. Yan, dito na tayo sa bench. Maganda yung view. Tingnan nyo. Ayan, diba? Hinihingal si host, hinihingal si ako. Ay, sunshine come to me. We miss the sunshine, that's why. Yung dyan, lake yan guys. Yan, ganda ng view, diba? That's why I really love to go for a walk, for a hike, just to watch the view. Yan ang view. Yan yung paligid. Yun. Si Sunny is there and si Snowy is here. Snowy, Sunny. Yan, si Sunny is there. Yan. So ayan guys, oh. Yan. Kikita nyo ang magandang tanawin. Tingnan yung bundok. Marami pang snow. Gusto ko yung clouds behind doon. Oh. Tingnan natin kung makukuha natin yung clouds. Ayun, di ba? Yung clouds. Ang ganda doon. And, so, yung paligid, guys. Yun yung paligid. Balik na tayo dun sa main, ano. Ingat lang. Ingat sa pagbaba. So, after this, I'm going home, of course, take a shower and prepare myself for a afternoon shift. It really feel good after a walk or a gym or anything, any activities. Magaan sa katawan. So, keep moving. Importante sa health natin. And I really love fresh air. And of course, sunny weather, I mean. Yan. So, di ba? Yan. Basta me walking lang, walking. Kahit mag-isa ako, I go for a walk. I'm not scared going alone because it's very peaceful place here. You have nothing to worry. What you only need to know to take care is when you fall down on the other side of the mountain like that. But anyway, this is a peaceful country, peaceful town, but people can go anywhere they want without any what you call this, danger. Yan. Ang paligid. Yan, nagsawa na kayo, guys. Nagsawa na kayo sa snow. Hope nag-enjoy kayo, ha. Pinapakita ko lang yung mga lugar kung saan ako nagpupunta during my free time. I-vlog natin para makarelate naman kayo. So, thank you for your support. To those who are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. Please hit that notification bell. Bell all po tayo para updated tayong lahat sa ating mga latest vlogs. So, ayan. And shout out to all my YouTube friends. Ayan. For TV official, shout out Balal Mares, Manaywara USA, Milming Vlog, Joy Granada, Yahoo, Philby Babes. Yan, mag-love shout out. Many to mention, pero shout out Mr. Hakuna Banana Patata, Mr. Jordy the Sailor, or Mr. Tranquilo, mega love shout out. And shout out to all. Ayan, we have to need to give space to those who are running. Kasi pwede dito guys mag-ski. So, ayan, sa mga na-shoutout ko, thank you sa pag-support. Ayan, Mads Lopez, Chararot, Makmak TV, or Christopher Baloloy, Sir Makmak, shoutout. Ayan, sa lahat. Adele ko, mega love shoutout. Ayan, so sa lahat ng mga friends ko na sa YT, thank you sa support. And of course, sa inyong lahat na nag-watch ng vlog ko, thank you. So, more to come later. It's now going to springtime, so we have more vlogs to do as long as I have time to do. So, ayan, So from here, I would like to say thank you for watching and see you guys on my next vlog. Bye! Yan yung paligid. Bye!